Welcome to Naga's Odalicious. In today's video, we're going to see the preparation of the badam laddu or the almond balls. Let us get into the video. For this preparation, take 1 cup of almonds and soak it for exactly 15 minutes in hot boiling water. After 15 minutes, when you take the seeds and you crush it with your fingers with a gentle sliding movement, we'll be able to peel off the almonds. So one by one, peel the skin of the almonds, gently crush it, and with a sliding movement, you're going to take away the almonds and separate the skin of the almonds. So these almonds collected have to be pat dried now. So take a tissue paper, so layer 2 or 3 papers one above the other, and gently spread the almonds that have been collected in the bowl. So they have to be pat dried. So set them aside for 15 minutes exactly. After 15 minutes, we can observe that the almonds are completely dry. So all the water has been absorbed onto the tissue paper. So now take these almonds, transfer them into the blender and blend them for 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds, we get this kind of a coarse powder. So I prefer it in the coarse form because it gives a crunchy munchy effect to the final product. So if you want, you can make it into a fine powder, but in that process, oil comes out of the seeds which will affect the flavor of the dish. So next, take a frying pan. In that, take 3/4 cup of sugar, and to that add 1/4 cup of water and allow it to boil. So in between, ensure that you mix it gently so that the sugar is completely dissolved. So almost we have arrived at the consistency. Now when you take a few drops of the sugar syrup, just observe the end of the ladle. The sugar syrup falls back into the frying pan, but when the last drop is going to fall, you can observe that it's becoming a little elastic. So this is what you call it as the one string consistency. So once we obtain this one string consistency, this is the right time for us to add the powdered almond. So now mix the coarse almond powder with the sugar syrup and mix them thoroughly. But after adding the almond seed, ensure to add 3/4 cups of water to enable the almond to mix with the sugar syrup. So this is how the consistency is after adding 3/4 cups of water. And now mix continuously till the contents get separated from the pan. So it's almost done. switch off the flame and allow the contents to cool for some time till they come to the bearable warmth. So knead the contents with a teaspoon of ghee and from this take a part of the contents and roll them into small balls like this. So one by one gently roll the balls and set them aside. Yes, and now let us garnish the badam laddu with chopped almonds. And yes, so finally our badam delicacy is ready to be served. So this badam laddu is very nutritious since it is made out of the almond seeds or the badam seeds. Please do try the recipe. If you get it well, let me know in the comment section. So that was the preparation of badam laddu from Naga's Odalicious. So here is wishing all the viewers over there a very happy new year. So meet you in further videos with more such delicacies. Till then, stay safe and thanks for watching Naga's Odalicious.